Hi guys, I'm recording this training on how to add collections to our store for the benefit of the next team who will be helping us adding products to the store. So for Go Property, for Go Warehouse, this is where we get our products to add to the store. So the client wants everything in here to be transferred to our store. So that means every collections, every sub collections and products must be copied on our store. So right now we only have these collections on the store. So the client is asking why uh, uh, we just have these collections right now. So I explained to him that it's a tedious work and it requires a lot of time to be able to complete all these collections list. Right now, I think Lori is adding product for these collections, and Jack somewhere here, cleaning materials, cleaning equipment. So to add collections, let's go to products and then click collections. And let's fill all the sub collections for the vacuum parts and cleaners first. Let's go to dust pads, floor, tools. But the client doesn't want merong nag-slide pa dito to the right yung sub-collection. So that is why na ilagay na lang natin sa isang collection yung lahat na sub-collection from Freshway. So, ang next natin ang gagawin, I think sa janitorial supplies, cleaning supplies, safety and PPE. For example, sa outdoor equipment, meron ng power equipments doon. Okay, let's do this. That's the specialized equipment. Ito yung gagawin natin. This is a menu item. So, okay, wala siyang product. So, specialized equipment na lang. Sige, mag-add tayo ng collection called specialized equipment. This is how we add so just name it, put it in the title, specialized equipment. In order for the future products na that will automatically add under this collection, we need to automate the product tagging. So make sure this one here is clicked, and then go to product tag is equals to specialized equipment. So whenever you tag a product specialized equipment, it will go automatically under this collection. So click save. That's so easy. After you have created the collections, go to product and add product. Then copy everything here from the specialized equipment on Freshway supplies. Okay, and then heating and cooling specialized equipment. Okay, let's go to water pump. Everything under water pump. Oh, why is that? Wala silang generator. Wala. Bakit? Wala silang air movers, blowers, and carpets. So nakita ko ito na. Merong nag-add nito. Polishers na lang kaya. Polishers and sweeper. Kasi i-delete ko muna yung yung tawag sito, yung collection na specialized equipment. Palitan na lang natin. Palitan natin ng, kasi wala namang tao dito sa specialized equipment sa Freshway. Palitan natin ng polishers and sweeper. Polishers and sweepers. Then, copy mo lang yan. I-automate natin yung product tagging. Polishers and sweepers. Then, click save. Then, after that, punta ka dito sa polishers and sweepers. Everything, all of these products shall be added under our new collection called polishers and sweepers. Ganyan lang yan. So, if, I don't know if na-train ito na how to auto tag, you should remember this, your collection. Yung ginagawa ko is sa kanila, yan ko, collection name, supplier URL, dito ito siya, supplier and URL, polishers and sweepers. Tapos yung vendor, kasi kailangan ng vendor doon sa pag mag-add tayo ng product, Freshway. Tapos yung product tag, kasi important kasi ito para mag-auto tag siya. Ito. Ganyan lang. Product tag niya, pwede din polishers, sweepers. For as long as meron ito, mag-auto tag na yan siya. So, ito muna, yung isa munang collection na ito na polishers and sweepers. We should add this, all of these products shall be added under the collection, the new collection. So, let's go to products, add new product, copy everything. There, I will pause this video muna kasi malapit na akong mag-time. So, sa product type, gawin nating polisher ito, right? What kind of product ito? Polisher siya. So, sa product type, we call it polisher. Vendor niya is Freshway pa din. Yung collections niya, ito. Yung polishers and sweepers. May product tag niya is polishers and sweepers. Okay? Tapos you can also add another tag describing the product. Polishers and sweepers. Para mag-automatic yan siya every time na yung customer mag-search for related products like sweepers or polishers, mag-show up din itong product natin. Yung mga related products. That is why merong product tagging. That is so important. So we are not adding the video. If merong video na related sa Freshway, so we will not add that. Pero parang manufacturer ito, so it's okay to add a video. So when adding the video, you have to right-click the video and then click the copy embed code. And then go to the HTML editor of the product page. Click mo lang, tapos paste mo lang siya sa pinakababa. Yan. Ganyan lang siya. So, we will edit na lang the size. Gawin nating 500 by 400 yung video. Tingnan natin yung itsura niya. Yan, perfect. Okay na yun siya. So, importante yung product tagging kasi dun sa ating collections, naka-auto tag na yung polishers and sweepers. So, pag in-add natin, automatically it will go directly under the new collections that we have created. So, copy everything. Pictures, screenshot natin yung pictures, okay? Okay, just message me on Slack if this is unclear. Thank you, bye-bye.